Here in the studio with us today is Noah Hayes, a young cartoonist. Welcome to the programme, Noah.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Tell us, have you always wanted to be a cartoonist?
I have been drawing all my life. As a kid, I drew on everything. Exercise books, desktops, on absolutely everything. But I became interested in making it a career when I was 14. That's when I got my first cartoon published.
Was it difficult to find work?
In the early days, I had a full-time job in an art gallery, and I wrote some cartoon strips on the side. I always carried some crayons with me, in case I got a good idea for a new cartoon. My friends and colleagues were great. They would laugh at my drawings and encourage me to keep going. Now I have my own website and have enough work to be a full-time cartoonist.
Do you see yourself as more of a writer or an artist?
I see myself as a writer who can draw funny pictures, not an artist who can write funny ideas. To be successful, I think you need to be good at writing.
What sort of things do you usually write about?
I try to write about things people are interested in. Things like family, work, health, pets, etc. People like to read about themselves. I like to take everyday subjects and make people laugh. Life can be far too serious sometimes. They say laughter is the best medicine. I try my best to make people feel better and make them happy with their lives.
How long does it usually take for you to produce a cartoon?
If it is a simple idea and I have a clear idea, half an hour or so. Sometimes, though, it can take a lot longer.
Do you use technology to help you with your work?
Yes, I do use it a lot now. While I still think best with a pencil and a piece of paper in my hand, I wouldn't be without my computer. I can make changes easily, add colour and so on.
What do you like best about your job?
I like the fact that I am my own boss. I work in my own home and don't have to waste time travelling to an office. I can work flexible hours, which is great.
Well, thanks for talking to us this morning, Noah. I wish you all the best for your future work.